What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to program an additional Ford key to a 2012 Ford F250. Like I said, this is a 2012 here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So in order to be able to add a new key yourself, you need two already working keys. So I have two already working keys here, and then I have my new refurbished key here. Okay? So we have our two already working keys, we have our new unprogrammed key that we've already gotten the blade cut. You can get that done several different places. Most places that cut keys will be able to do that. So once you're to that point where you have your two programmed keys and we have our unprogrammed key with the blade cut, we can go ahead and get into it. We're going to take our first programmed key and put it in the ignition, and we're going to turn it to the on position and leave it there for a 3 count, 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Quickly, you're going to grab your second programmed key, put it in, same thing. 3 count. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to grab our unprogrammed key and put it in. Same thing. 1, 2, 3. You heard the door lock cycle there. That's going to indicate this is now programmed. Turn it off, remove. The remote portion works. Let's make sure it starts the vehicle.